Hello and welcome back to our third video. After finishing this video, your site should be complete and up and running. There's a fourth video for maintaining prices, stock, and extras. So we've completed setting up our affiliate program on the Whalop admin side. Let's log into our WordPress admin to install the Whalop Shop plugin. You can download it from the Whalop admin backend by clicking on the WordPress plugin as seen on the screen right here. Take a look at the new menus that have been added to your WordPress backend. Here you have Products and Whalop Shop. Click on the Whalop Shop and then Settings and enter your credentials. Your plugin API credentials can be found on your Whalop backend by clicking on API on the My Websites page listing. Just copy and paste all the credentials onto your Whalop Shop plugin settings page and click on the Save Settings button. If all is correct, you should be able to search for products. Click on Whalop Shop, then Add Products. Apart from the No Filter option, we can also see a few more nice filters like Top Sellers, Newest Additions, Category Name-based searches, and Product ID-based search. There are many ways to search for products within the plugin. And don't forget, as we showed on the previous video, we can also browse the products by clicking on Browse Products from the Whalop admin backend. So by now, you should have a pretty good idea about the products that you'd like to sell. For a specific product, we can get the product ID from the product page, and then search for it from our WordPress admin using the product ID filter. And if the product is available, like it's in stock at the time, it'll come up in the search. Here it is. Mark it for addition and then click Add Posts. Don't worry about your other non-Whalop posts and pages. This will be imported as a custom post and then show up on your product's WordPress backend menu. You can add as many products as you like. They will all show with all the pertinent information on your product's listing. All you have to do is choose your category according to your category structure. Now, as custom posts, they'll not interfere with your normal blog posts. We can also see a taxonomy list there, which is used to categorize the products. Let's now look at the important part of categorizing the products. Whalop products have their own custom taxonomy that appears under the menu Products and then Product Categories. Again, these will not interfere with your blog post categories or other taxonomies. As mentioned in our preparation steps, you want to have your own unique categories for the products you sell. You should probably already have your categories determined and set up before adding products. Also, make sure that your category structure is unique. It shouldn't be a copy-paste from the Whalop site or some other site. Uniqueness of categorization and product presentation are two key success factors. So let's search for toy to get more products for our puppy toys blog. See how I've already categorized all the products I imported. You can always categorize them or recategorize them from the Products WordPress admin menu. To customize any of your content, you simply look through your products and then click Edit to then customize. You already have all the data you need, including descriptions. But do customize the description content. Don't leave on the original content downloaded. Most of the data you have is a good and complete starting point, but other than stock and some product specs, everything should reflect your own unique content. So you want to change it with your own keywords, your own writing style, and your site's unique point of view. Once you do all that, you'll have a really good chance in success. And the more unique your content is, the more SEO-friendly your site will be. You can use an SEO plugin if you like for WordPress and care about URLs, meta descriptions, titles, and keywords. You do want to make sure that your SEO plugin can handle custom posts and custom taxonomies, though. Again, you can link your product pages, or even better, show the products within your blog posts. The product HTML comes with a ready Add to Cart button, like here. This allows your readers to completely check out their order, staying within your branded pages. If you do a good job of it, people will buy from you. Really pay attention to your publication and your marketing, and you'll accomplish the best return on investment of your time because everything else is given to you for free. So you should now be all up and running. In the next video, we'll show you how to keep your product stock updated. We'll also show you how to implement pricing strategies and more. Thanks for watching.